Let's learn the building blocks of German. Every German sentence needs a subject, usually a pronoun. These are the people of the language. You will meet them in every conjugation table in this book.
Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie.
German has two words for you,
Du,
with friends and family.
sie,
Always capitalized, to be polite with strangers. When in doubt, use
sie.
To conjugate means changing the verb ending to match the subject. Take the stem, the infinitive minus n, and add an ending. Most verbs follow this regular pattern, here with
Machen,
to do.
ich mache, du machst, er, sie, es macht, wir machen, ihr macht, sie, sie machen.
Learn this one pattern and you can already use hundreds of regular verbs. Every German noun has a gender shown by its article. Always learn a noun together with its article. The gender is part of the word.
Der, die, das, die,
The plural article is always
die,
whatever the gender.
sein,
To be, and
haben,
to have, are irregular but used constantly, also as helpers to build the past tense later. Memorize them early.
ich bin, ich habe, du bist, du hast, ist, hat, wir sind, wir haben, ihr seid, ihr habt, sie sind, sie haben.
In a normal statement, the conjugated verb is always the second element, even if something other than the subject comes first.
Ich trinke heute Kaffee. Heute trinke ich Kaffee.
Whatever you put first, the verb stays in position 2 and the subject simply hops behind it. Yes, no questions, simply swap the subject and the verb.
Trinkst du Kaffee?
Do you drink coffee? W questions open with a question word. Here are the 6 you will use most.
Wer? Wer ist das? Was? Was machst du? Wo? Wo wohnst du? Wann? Wann kommst du? Wie? Wie heißt du? Warum? Warum lernst du Deutsch?
Use.
Nicht.
To negate a verb or a whole idea. Use.
Kein.
To negate a noun, it replaces
Ein.
a.
Ich trinke nicht. Ich habe keinen Kaffee. Los geht's.
You are ready. You can get the whole workbook with all 10 chapters by scanning the QR code. Scan the code to get your copy. It is part of the VocabSnap German series from A1 to B2.